Hello, welcome to the vlog, welcome to today, welcome to the video. My name is Leah. This is my uncle's farm. This is the greenhouse, we'll go in there in a second. We're here for Thanksgiving. Today's Thanksgiving, so yeah. Hello, Mr. Joe Rogan. His name is Rogan. This is the greenhouse. Go tape the greenhouse, so. Hell yeah. And also the tomatoes, it's fucking insane. Tomatoes. Up to the roof. It's crazy. Look at these little tomatoes. It's beautiful. There's tomatoes all the way up there. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Just tomatoes. It's gorgeous, obviously. There's a heater here. Oh, there's big fan, as you see. This is more tomatoes. They literally go all the way to back there. And then, as you see, mariwho. It's humongous. He estimates there'll be a couple pounds. There's a bunch more peppers back here. There's literally so many. There's a bunch here. Like, some of these are like almost the size of my fucking head. That sound is a filter, by the way, for this water. It's a water system in this bitch. But yeah, peppers, a bunch of weed. I can't, like, the tomatoes go all the way up here, and there's still some growing. Look at that, those are flowers. You can't really tell, but some flowers. Look at this humongous pepper. The camera, like, does not even do it justice. Like, they're, like, packed in here. They're huge. It's crazy. And then that's the start of the trail system. Or, well, one start of it. They go for, like, 2 miles. Food is basically ready now though, so it's time for me to go inside. We're gonna go eat some food. Well, you're not, Rogan. Sorry. I'm going inside to eat some food. Jake, you got your driver's license.
I hate when you record me, you know that?
You just approved me. You invited videotaping your achievements.
No, I think
Yeah,
Congratulations on getting your driver's license.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
you took my belly button.
That's an achievement too. Did you know Jake got his driver's license?
I did. I'm very proud.
Yeah, it's so nice. See, Jake, everyone's so proud of you.
Yeah.
I got my driver's license in October 10 years ago. Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
How old are you? I guess you were like 9. That's
Yeah.
crazy. Yeah. Oh, that means you're 19 getting your driver's license, motherfucker. Don't talk to me like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you're a full-grown man boy.
Thanks for that.
You're welcome.
You feel better. I also don't know my license.
Yeah, but that's different. I momentarily forgot that. A little while ago, I asked Coral when I was at your apartment the one time. I was like, "But where does Am park?" She's like, "Am doesn't drive." I was like, "Oh right."
My dad forgot that I didn't drive the other day. He's like, "You can just drive us," and I was like,
I can't.
No, actually, I can't. Not even a little bit. I just can't see.
I just can't see.
Like, I could sit in a car and you could teach me things, and I'd be like, "That's cool."
In theory, you could learn how to do it,
I
but
can't read the fucking speedometer. I'm not gonna drive.
Years, but Katie
What?
used to
Oh.
swear up and down that one time she saw Laura driving around town.
Oh.
I know. I remember Katie saying that.
She definitely was. I saw her in the driver's seat. Like, what's happening? Okay.
Laura's blind. Blind Laura.
Everyone knows blind Laura. She's blind.
I know. I remember Katie saying that.
Not even
Yes, it is funny.
That's funny.
Here you go. Oh, that was nice. So soft. What kind of puppy is he again?
German Shepherd Golden Retriever.
Oh, okay, yeah. You're so pretty. Lovely.
Personally,
Okay, now you can cut it.
huge house. I don't know, bigger than like 1,200 square feet.
Happens literally the whole city.
Yeah.
Bummer.
I had cars got broken into around my old apartment by the general hospital, but that's because by the general hospital. Yeah, exactly.
Elizabeth and I looked at a house, and it's one of them ones that we should have bought. No, it wasn't Elizabeth. It was
Nope.
Laura and I bought.
Never mind.
Yeah,
That's a-
there were a lot of steel covers, heated and steel.
Yeah,
like that.
and this was just right on
Love
the
it.
corner of Albert
Okay,
and
which one would you like?
Interesting.
But maybe they got wax and made it themselves.
Are you recording us talking too?
Of course.
So now this was the day before Thanksgiving. These are my auntie's kitties at her and my uncle's farm. It used to be my grandparents' farm when I was growing up. My grandpa passed away last summer and my grandma passed away in February. Then this weekend, on the Saturday before Thanksgiving, we had her burial because we hadn't had it yet. So obviously I didn't videotape much, but I did want to include that that's what we did this weekend as well. I haven't posted anything for a couple weeks, so the last bit of this video is just footage of the last little while. Nice. Give space, personal space. Literally. I just a puppy. Oh, eating some leaves. Oh. Hi. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, I'm sorry. I bet. Oh, hi. So cute. Oh, hello. Oh, I do know. I know. Oh, is she taking a shit? Or a piss? Oh my god. Do you know?
It's like if you're peeing, I get it, but if it's like if you're peeing, it's a weird vibe.
That is. You're embarrassing. She's so excited. She's about to do it herself.
I see her down there.
Look at your girl. Isn't she funny? Oh, wow. It's funny. Oh, oh. What's that? Come on. Oh. You're so cute. Yeah, you're so cute. Oh. Oh. Bless you. And later that night, I went to a restaurant that was having a Glee trivia night. The end of this video now. Thank you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm cold. It's windy out here. Goodbye.